Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quality bread. Use a scale to weigh flour and water and activate yeast with warm water and a pinch of sugar. Mix until shaggy, then rest and fold for structure. Keep dough warm but not hot, and watch for a doubled volume during bulk ferment. Shape gently, proof until slightly puffy, then bake with steam for a crisp, deep brown crust. Start with simple, quality ingredients and a few key tools to make bread reliably at home. High-protein flour gives better gluten and chew, while salt controls fermentation and flavor. A scale and thermometer remove guesswork, and a bench scraper helps handling sticky dough. Use a Dutch oven or baking stone to trap steam and boost oven spring. Small, consistent steps produce bread you will be proud to slice and share. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more baking content. Quick recommendation: a helpful book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about resources and long-term planning, and it pairs nicely with learning patient, intentional baking habits. It's a light, practical read that fits a baker's mindset. Look in the description for the link and extra deals, and now let's get back to the video. Master simple techniques and timing to transform basic dough into artisan bread. Start with an autolyse to hydrate flour and loosen gluten, then use periodic folds to build strength without heavy kneading. Keep bulk ferment warm and watch the dough rise to about double size. Shape gently, then give a controlled final proof until the dough feels slightly springy. Score the loaf just before baking to guide expansion and create an attractive crumb.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.